are you doing?
Hello, we are good. How are you?
We are good.
Good, good. Good to see you. How are you?
How's everyone?
Good, good. So, I just thought to call you guys on this platform and have a discussion about breast cancer because October is dedicated for breast cancer awareness. So, I thought whatever concerns we have, we can share it among ourselves, or whatever knowledge we can impart into each other's brains, we can do that. So, I would like to, pitch in with the first question. Can I go ahead?
Definitely.
Okay, yeah. So basically, I just wanted to know if anybody in your surrounding has had been diagnosed with breast cancer, because not I don't have anybody who has been diagnosed with breast cancer. So anybody?
Okay, so basically, my grandma, my maternal side grandma, she had breast cancer. It started from the breast, and we, since we detected it in the later stages, it had almost spread across the
Okay.
whole body.
Mhm.
So she was a very close relative of mine, and that's how I know her.
So any like she wasn't able to take any treatment or anything.
Since it was in the last stages, obviously we went for the regular chemo, and but her age was also 60.
Hmm.
So she wasn't having the will to go through all that pain. Plus, it was detected in the last stages. So that was a reason why she was not able to survive out of it. So that's how I
Okay.
know about.
Yeah. Anybody else has any kind of information that way?
I have a similar anecdote. It happened with my mother's best friend. So basically, she was also diagnosed pretty late with breast cancer, and she died by the age of 43. She was diagnosed at the age of 38, but she couldn't make it very long because of the late detection of the cancer. It had spread to her lungs, and she wasn't doing very well by the end of it. So, thinking about that, I started wondering if there are any methods that we can use to detect breast cancer earlier. So, do any of you know what we can do to detect breast cancer early?
Yeah, I mean, after the incident in our family, all the ladies in the family started to take this issue a little seriously. So the information that we know from the doctors is that we should go for self breast examination every month. Women should do it where they can, examine their breasts and understand for any kind of signs and symptoms which is abnormal. And at the same time, if they do face anything like that, it's always advisable to go to a doctor where you'll get the right clinical advice, and then you are obviously, if the doctor also suggests, you then go get into doing the mammography, and that's always good since earlier detection is better. So these are some steps that we all can do.
Okay, thank you.
मेरा ये क्वेश्चन है, जो बेस्ट एग्जामिनेशन के टाइम से मेरा क्या क्या साइन सिम्टम मिलेगा जो देख के मेरा पता चलेगा?
ओके, तो जो बेसिक साइंस एंड सिम्टम्स जो हम सेल्फ एग्जामिनेशन के टाइम में देख सकते हैं वो रहते हैं, जैसे ब्रेस्ट में लम्प्स होना, मतलब लाइक छोटा सा सॉफ्ट टिश्यू टाइप आपको एक स्वेलिंग टाइप कुछ फील होगा वहाँ पे, या आपके वहाँ पे ब्रेस्ट के आसपास रेडनेस होना, निपल कलर चेंज होना या निपल डिस्चार्ज होना, या फिर आपके ब्रेस्ट के साइज एंड शेप में चेंज होना, आपको लगे कि कुछ एबनॉर्मल सा है. These are the basic signs, जो आप सेल्फ एग्जामिनेशन के टाइम में देख सकते हैं. अगर आपको इनमें से कुछ भी साइंस दिखता है तो वी रिकमेंड कि आप किसी गायनेकोलॉजिस्ट को कंसल्ट करके एक बार रीअश्योर हो जाए. So that is very important.
So, Nikita, I actually had a question. How exactly would one person know what is the time to do it? Because like I have done it, and there are always certain different changes that we notice in the breast. So I'm not sure when it is tender, and so I'm really not sure what is the correct time to do it. Anybody can
So,
answer.
Aditi, about the time, breast changes are constantly happening throughout the menstrual cycle. Okay. So, ideally, it's said after 2 to 3 days after you have your periods, you should do a self breast check, and it should be done on a monthly basis.
Okay.
I hope that answers your question.
अच्छा.
हाँ, मेरा ये क्वेश्चन है जो बेस्ट एग्जामिनेशन है इस कौन से उम्र में स्टार्ट करना सही होगा, मतलब वो कौन से उम्र में स्टार्ट करे तो उनका कोई क्या बोलते हैं उसका कोई गलत कुछ नहीं होगा, अलग कुछ इफेक्ट नहीं होगा.
So, Sushmita, breast starts developing by like 13 age से आपका breast start develop होता है, and but breast issues till the age of 20 is pretty rare. ठीक है. So it is said that after 20 years of age, you should do a self checkup on a monthly basis.
Okay.
So since we all are talking about the breast self-examination, can anyone just let me know or educate all of us what is the correct procedure doing it?
So yeah, like I have come across this website. I'll just share with you guys. 1 second. Yeah, so there are basically three methods we should follow like regularly. Like, जब भी हम लोग breast examination कर रहे हैं, these three steps should be done. Like the first thing is that you should hold your hand in this way, okay? And when you're moving it across your chest, it should be in three different motions. It should be in a circular motion, clockwise and anti-clockwise. यहाँ पे जैसे आप देख सकते हो, and it should move away from your nipple, nipple direction. Okay, this was the first way, and second way is just from the nipple towards the outside of your breast, probably towards your under arms and as well. And एक और है ऊपर and नीचे, like towards your neck and towards your stomach. So these three methods should be performed regularly, but there are three steps to perform it. एक है yeah, once you're standing in front of the mirror, like you just remove your clothes and stand in front of the mirror and see any changes that can that seem very different. This and those three steps that I've showed, the motions, those should be repeated, should be done here. After that, the second can be done even in shower, like when you're taking a shower, you can do this examination, and while lying down. Since when you're lying down, the position of the breast might be a little different, है ना? So it's important we do it even while lying down, like all the motions that I showed.
So basically, what you are trying to say is a person is standing in front of the mirror and they do the 1, 2, 3.
Yes, yes.
And then they are in the sleeping position, and then they do 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
Okay, okay. That's understanding.
Any concerns? Anybody else?
No, I think it is pretty much explained and very nicely explained. So I think it's very clear.
Sorry, we couldn't hear you.
I said it's pretty well explained, so it's very clear to us. Thank you.
Okay.
Okay. So anybody else has any questions?
Yeah, actually, I was having one. Few days back when I was doing a self-examination, I noticed a small lump in my breast, and out of concern, I went to consult a gynecologist, and she examined me and she said that it is not any sign of breast cancer. So, I mean, should I be still concerned, or I should just trust my gynecologist?
So basically, there is a lump need not always be an indicator of breast cancer. And
Okay.
sometimes many patients, they don't have a lump in their breast at the early stage to as a first sign or symptom of breast cancer. So it's not necessary that you depend only on this, but lump is an important sign. If you feel any lump, it's always recommended to go and get it checked by the doctor, because it's always better to be safe, right? So in case anytime you feel a lump, it's a very good thing that you went to a doctor. But we should be concerned a little at least. And also, recently there was this information being passed around about vaccination, like
Right,
people.
the COVID vaccine.
Yeah. The after COVID vaccination, into a few days later, people would find some kind of lumps under their armpits and all that. So they would also be concerned. This can be a reason due to because of the inflammation caused by the vaccination. But yeah, in case it persists for more than a couple of days, then it's better to get it checked. Vaccination may cause this, but we are not saying it will definitely, and it is not breast cancer. But in case the sign persists, just get checked.
Okay.
So actually, listening to all of this is making me a little anxious because I just in the beginning of the conversation I did say that one of my close relatives had the disease. So I wanted to know, is it a like sure shot that even I'm gonna get it, or how does this thing
Like
work?
probably your maternal
Maternal
grandmother.
grandma, right?
Yeah.
No, Aditi, it's not necessary. Definitely, genetic factor or family history is one of the risk factor for having breast cancer, but it is not. It does not make it mandatory that you will have it. But definitely, as you are having a family history, you are at higher risk of having breast cancer. So it is recommended that you should get screening often for the breast cancer. Even we have, I mean, according to the studies, we have many females who have breast cancer, but they don't have any family history. So don't worry, it is not mandatory, but it is always better to take preventions, because if breast cancer is diagnosed in the early stage, it can be treated well, and they can live a normal life without any further complications. So it is highly recommended to go and get screening done if you feel anything. And self examination is very important, which you should prefer doing once in every month. So continue doing that, and if something comes up, you feel like I did for that breast lump, which was not a sign of breast cancer, but being reassured is very important. So just go ahead, and highly recommend doing self breast examination. That is very, very important. So even you, please do convey this to your family and friends to pass on this information to everyone, so that females are more benefited from this. So thanks.
I would like to add a point here.
Sure.
Like after the age of, especially if there is a history of breast cancer in the family, after the age of 35, they should undergo yearly mammogram checks.
Oh, is
Or
it?
at least you should consult a gynec yearly once, and they'll definitely refer you for a mammogram check. Okay, even if there is no family history, after the age of 40, once a year, all women should take up this test, mammogram.
Definitely. Yeah.
Okay.
Right.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you for the vast information that we could cover in such a short time, and probably we can all pledge that we will share this information around the women around us. Like breast cancer is not so easy, right, to go through, and yeah. So let's just share this information to as many women as possible, and no matter where you share, which platform you share, do use the hashtag pink self check chill. So that's what we are sick. Yeah. So do use that hashtag, and let's let's just be aware and take care of our health very well, especially our breast.
Also, I would suggest you guys can go through that link that I was just explaining about the procedure.
Yeah.
Since everybody needs to do it properly, I'll share the link in the chat box.
Sure.
Let's all just come together on this, take care of ourselves because we are more important.
I am important.
I am important. That's
Yeah.
true.
Yeah.
So every month, let's be this bonding sisters and ask each other, this month did you do it? Did you take care of yourselves? Right?
Yeah.
So anybody has any final thoughts?
I think I would like to thank everyone for sharing their knowledge on the topic and enlightening us with such an important information. So thank you all. Thank you for joining and thank you so much for this.
Thank you,
Thank you, guys.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you for
Nice
being
session. Thank
together
you,
on my
guys.
call.
Stay
Okay.
healthy, stay
See you
safe.
soon. Bye bye.
Okay, guys. Bye.
Bye.
Bye bye.